when vehicle gets in a crash, then basically this thing right here explodes and gets separated. When this thing right here separates, then the car lose power, I believe, to the starter. Boom, just like that, and it's gone. When I was looking at my diagnostic tool, it was showing me battery voltage. I don't know if it's my battery or if it's my system or if it's this thing. But no matter what, we need to fix this cable. And I was looking online, and believe it or not, this cable here, it's like 300 bucks, 400 bucks, 350, something like that. Like crazy amount of money. I'm like, no, we are not doing that. And instead, keep looking, and so there's a different models, and different models came with this cable. For some reason mine came with this cable. I don't know what's the difference, and I don't know why they decided to go that long here when I can actually make it this thing work out. So the plan is, since this one here got exploded, this one here, it's a brand new one, oopsie. And let me show you something. We have this little cable that's connecting the PYRO fuse. I think it's the PYRO fuse, I think that's the name of it. I'm not 100% sure. From all my videos, you guys are knowing that I have no idea what I'm talking about. I can actually even barely speak English. So, this little guy is actually connects right here in the front, right there. So I looked online, and this guy here, the connection is right over here. This one is gray, this one is blue, but seems like they do match each other. So price of this guy, 24, eBay special. This one, eBay special, 300. BMW 1300. But this little guy, we gonna basically plug it. Make sure I'm plugging it the right way. Okay. And we're in. So now we are gonna, why did this thing didn't get with nut? I guess for 24 it doesn't give you a nut. Well, I guess it's still, I'm gonna use my nut from my crash bar. Well, so again, back on track. This thing is plugged in, it's all good. Now let me show you in the trunk what's the deal. Okay, so deal in the trunk. Right here, right down there, that's where the cable is connected. And then for some reason it goes from there down and around and all. So basically this guy goes there, something like that, and then like that, and then right here, and then connects right here. But this is the shortest version of it. That's what my plan is. Connect this bad boy right there, just like that, and then up and over, and then boom, making a connection. We gonna try it out and see what we can do. Hopefully that everything, you know, it will work out. Crossing my fingers. So without further ado, let's do it. Success. Okay guys, let me show you. This is the aftermarket cable installed. Okay guys, well, we got everything set up. I still haven't put the strap for the battery, or like this little guy goes below this module, this red guy. But let me show you up close how everything looks like. This is how it was looking before. You guys can see this black box right there, and it was doing this crazy thing like I was telling you guys, going all the way down and around, and it's connecting over there in the back. Coming over here, you guys can see negative, everything is the same order like the picture. But then coming here, and this guy, you guys can see we got connected over there in the back. And now from here, instead of going back and around and over to there, now we just go down and boom, right there. So once again, I don't know what's the difference. I guess we're gonna find out in a little bit. I was trying to look up, you know, cables, serial numbers, IDs, and I just wanted to see what's the difference between this guy and the other guy. And I mean, the serial numbers are different, of course, but I wonder what is that key W 6.11, what does that mean? So like kilowatts or something, I don't know. So I hope that this is gonna work. So now the next thing is to go and plug the diagnostic tool and see what we have. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so let's go down the list, see what we have. So first thing, engine, airbag, advanced crash safety module, instrument cluster, emergency call, footwell module too. So this is an airbag. This one here, it's like why do I even have it? I don't know. Emergency speaker circuit open. Okay, we'll figure that later. But that shouldn't have any problems. Instrument cluster, I believe for this guy it was the sensor, the ambient temperature sensor, outside temperature sensor. So that one, I have that sensor coming up. Safety module, let's see this guy. So driver airbag, which is this guy right here. So I have this one coming. Then driver belt tensioner, so that's my belt, that one needs to be replaced. Safety battery terminal, hoping when I reset the module right now, this guy right here, it should go away. We'll see. After that, we have advanced crash safety module, driver airbag stage 2. That's my knee, I believe. Maybe not. I guess we're gonna figure it out. And then we have a driver knee airbag, left retractor tensioner. So I believe that's my belt as well. So if we go back, erase, yes. Okay, let's see. Driver airbag stage 1, driver belt tensioner, driver airbag stage 2, driver knee airbag, retractor tensioner. Guys, see that? Do you guys see that? I think the battery is fixed. Okay, now we need to go to the module for the rooftop. So let me see, let me go there real quick. Okay guys, so convertible top module, I'm gonna go there. Now read codes, no code, okay, that's good. Erase codes, ECU information, active test. Okay, we're gonna go to live data, blocking conditions. So now you guys can see it gives you every single terminal what needs to happen, and if there is anything blocking the roof. Right now we're looking at as of no. Okay, no, and then we have a bunch of yeses. So tailgate open, yes. Hall sensor for partition, yes. Battery stage of charge makes roof movement inoperable. So we have to figure that one out, because I was thinking when we replace that terminal on the battery in the back, that's gonna get fixed. Apparently it's not. And then ambient temperature, it's too low. Like, I don't understand why would that will block to open up the roof. But just so I'm not just making up shit, let me show you guys. We're gonna go in the back now. Tailgate open, and then hall sensor for luggage compartment. Hope you guys can see that. Says yes right there, but as soon as when we lower this guy, watch it, boom, now it's no. Now we're going down the list. Tailgate. Okay, let's close the tailgate. Boom. That one went away. So the only two left here is battery state of charge makes roof movement. You fixing one thing, then the other thing, let me research that real quick. Okay guys, so this is what I found through the menu. Remote control battery station status. There you go. So when you click on it, you guys can see battery transmitter 1. Okay. Everything is okay. So I really don't understand what's going on. So yeah, I don't know inoperable. What does that even mean? Now I'm thinking maybe because the car is not running, but in the same time I've seen videos where people just with their key standing right next to the car can lower the roof. Yeah, I don't know guys. This is getting frustrating though. I mean, hey, look at it from the bright side. At least I showed you guys how to save $300+ for that cable. Yeah, because right now everything is so good with that battery. Yeah, everything is all good. So I'll put everything all back together, support the battery and all that stuff, all the goodies, and then I'll put my trickle charger or whatever you call that to maintain the battery. Can't wait to get the car started to see what's the deal. But yeah, I'm hoping as soon as when I get this little pulley there, and then this this pulley here as well, I might actually see if I can try to refurbish this, because I believe this pulley, it will show up tomorrow, and if it does, yeah baby. But this guy, it's I believe it's gonna show up in next week, and I don't want to wait till next week. So that being said, maybe I'll see if I can just get it smoothly and put this pulley there. Yeah, and I need this oil thing here as well, because honestly I just need to start the vehicle. Just hearing it, so good. And the charging battery, I don't know. That's gonna be it for this video guys. Yay on the cable. On this guy right here, that's great news. Still no luck on the convertible. It is what it is. But once again guys, don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. And like I keep saying and showing you guys, I have no idea what I'm doing, so it's experience, let's put it that way. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see this bad boy, because it is a bad boy, get to 500 horsepower and get some drifting, maybe, we'll see. And don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and doing it, you guys are helping the channel. That means a lot to me. Once again, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.